So, just when you thought the beater boxes were done, they're dead, they're not cool anymore, they're not profitable, they're just not very great. Maybe I'm just talking to myself because that's some of the feelings that I was having. 2018, I thought it was going to be a little bit more lit than it's been. Yeah. Just when you thought all of that was going straight down, we got a $2,000 box, and it's right here. A $2,150 beater box is coming up. Stay tuned.
Maybe then I can focus. Hawaii touchdown. Go ahead, baby, put your shades on. East side to the gravestone. Brown liquor, put my
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back again with your favorite series, the beater box series. This beater box, as always, comes to us from Supremacy.com. Soul Supremacy is a sneaker shop out in the Bay Area of California. They specialize in a lot of things that are sneaker related. And yeah, they produce these things called beater boxes, which are basically 20 pounds or so of mystery sneakers in various sizes and conditions. And the entire point of these boxes is that you resell them, make some money. Maybe you'll find a shoe that's your size and you can keep it, but most of the time it's just going to be everything is resold. Reason why Soul Supremacy does this is because it's not dead stock shoes. These things are used, people have worn them. They're selling it to you for a little bit under market value, and then in turn, if you clean them up, do some work, do some research, price correct, you can sell these things and make quite a bit of money. You can make quite a bit of money, man. And like I said in the intro, I mean, I haven't really been too big on the beater boxes lately. Just because the hype boxes have literally been amazing. Profit has been really good. It's been very easy to move shoes. It's just been really good. Hopefully, I'm trying to change that right now by opening up this $2,000 box. We haven't had a $2,000 box in months. It's been a long time. And usually, those videos have a lot of cool stuff in them, man. I mean, we got a whole mess of good stuff for anything that's over $1,500 for a box. We got Solars in one, we got Tokyos in another one. We just got a bunch of good stuff. So I'm hoping it's more or less the same for this one. We gotta see. I need to inject some life back into this beater box series, man. Get me pumped, get me amped. Something good at least, you know. Anyway, $2,150. Let's get right into it. First impressions. I didn't even open it very good. First impressions. Oh man, this is not good. I can already smell it. It's not good. It's not good. So, I have this big thing with shoes that have smoke smells to them. Like, it literally destroys the entire box. And I can, like, feel it permeating out of this box already. Like, I can smell it, feel it, like, burning my eyes. So, I'm hoping it's just, like, one or two shoes and not the entire box. Because if it's the entire box, then we're gonna have problems. We gotta see. Anyway, I think this is one of the shoes though. This is the Foam Posit Volt. This one is in a size 10.5, and it is pretty darn worn, guys. You can see that. Kind of, I guess you can see that. I mean, it kind of glares in that light, but it's pretty used. It has that highlighter feels to it, but there's definitely some kind of like smoky odor to this that I'm not about. Cigarette smoke. It's not good, man. So we'll put this on the ground, away from everything else. And let's continue on. All right, so next one out, we got a Jordan 12 low, size 9. Ugh, this one has that same smell as well. So this is the Playoff 12 lows. This one is pretty worn. You can see over here, it's like scuffed up, bottoms dirtied up. These don't go for too much, not very hyped yet. Hopefully it gets better. It definitely has to get better. It's $2,000. You figure we gotta be seeing some like Yeezys in here. We gotta be seeing some crazy heat, retro Jordans, like I'm expecting a whole mess of good stuff. So far, not too much good stuff though. Okay, next box on the top, we have a Jordan 11 low in a size 9.5. Okay, this isn't an 11 low. This is a Jordan 4 alternate motorsport. So that's weird. I don't know why this would need a replacement box. That's why it's a pretty not so hype shoe. Oof, this one has the same smell as well. That's 3 for 3. Not good. But this one's pretty used. You can see over here, not the greatest condition, but I mean, it's still a shoe and it still has value, so it'll sell eventually, so that's good. Okay, so 3 of them have that smoke smell, and that's not, I'm not feeling that. Next one out is everybody's favorite shoe, Yeezys. But these things look pretty darn worn, man. I'm not, what is this? A size 14.5? No way. 14.5, that is, okay, that's random as, ugh. 14.5 is a weird number. And if you look at this, man, this is a pretty darn worn shoe. Look at that boost. That is some brown Boost. Ugh, Pirate Blacks. In the size 14.5. No box. That is a strange size, and these look like literal boats. I don't know if you guys can see how long that is, but that's a pretty large shoe. So shout out to whoever can wear 14.5, man. That's insane. Hopefully we have a buyer for that, because I'm not sure who's gonna buy this. Ooh, okay, so the next one out is pretty dope. I would have really liked this if I still had my Jordan 4 collection going. Unfortunately, Jordan 4s don't last very long, so I had to get rid of those, switch to Jordan 1s, because those things are tanks, they last forever. These though are the Jordan 4 Retro Rare Airs, or the lasers in the black colorway. And these things are grails for a lot of people, guys. These are grails for a lot of people. And if you guys can't see, there's like laser etching all over this shoe. That's why they call them lasers, obviously. And yeah, there's no box in this one. This one is a size 10.5. That's my size too. Okay, if these weren't so worn, I probably would have kept them. If these weren't so worn. These are pretty worn though. You can see like back here, these things are kind of folding down already. Soles look pretty okay, they're not too bad. And very minimal paint chipping, it kind of looks like on the inside. So it's not horrible condition. If you guys don't know, these go for a lot of money though. So I'm assuming it's like $400, $500, $600 on the side. So that's good. This is a dope pickup. With the Yeezys, we're finally picking up steam. Hopefully this 2000 box ends up being worth it, man. I see a couple more goodies in here, so fingers crossed. Next out is my favorite Jordan 1 box. This one is in the size 12, you can see right there. And which colorway is this though? Hey, all right, so we got a pair of breads. There we go. Jordan 1 breads, if you guys don't know, go for a pretty penny, man. And these should be the 2016 versions, I think. 2016s, okay, so this is solid, and a size 12. You can see the condition right there. Very, very clean, very clean. Bottom's a little bit dirtied up. Shoe itself though, solid. Not even that much toe box creasing, so that's a good sign. Classic shoe, man. Nothing wrong with this one either, so that's good. I'm guessing these are like about $350, maybe touching $4. Breads go for a lot of money, so that's another good pickup. We should have broke $1,000, I think, by now, so halfway there, and we got like 4 more shoes in here, so let's keep it rolling. Next out is a Y3 box. That's cool. Y3, oh, this is the good one too, the ZG knit, right on. Okay, so this is the 9.5 size. That's a really good size too. Yes, okay, so I got one of these before in a size 11 and I couldn't wear it, unfortunately. If you guys don't know, Y3s kind of run a little bit big, so yeah, 11 was not doing it for me. But these things are in like immaculate condition, man. One of the things you can tell about a Yohji Yamamoto Y3 is that if the lettering is still here, you can see that lettering right there. That's how you know this is in good condition still, because this lettering is like perfectly clear, no like paint rubbing off or things like that on it, so that's good. Soles look not that bad, and yeah, if you guys don't know, Y3s go for a good amount of money, man. So this is another dope pickup. I'm sure the counter over here is feeling it, and this is pretty varied so far. We got a Yeezy, Jordans, man, and we got some Y3s. That's pretty dope. All right, what should I grab next? What should I grab next? 3 left. I'll grab this one. Everybody's favorite brown box, the 350 Yeezy Boost in a size 8.5. All right, and this is a pair of the blue tints. These just recently came out. Okay, they are used. It's pretty decently yellowed up. Insides look not too bad though. Definitely can clean it up. Probably get some better value out of this, so that's good. 8.5 blue tints. Maybe like three something again. So definitely good for the counter. Gotta keep going. Next one out. It's an old Jordan. Ooh. So this, I don't know about the size 14, but check that out. If you guys are sneakerheads, you guys know that this is a rare shoe. I'm hoping it's a shoe in the box. And it is, okay. So we got a pair of Lightning Jordan 4s. Oh man, this breaks my heart, man. Told you guys I love Jordan 4s. The Rare Air is like one of the grails for Jordan 4s, and this is another grail, man. These were made back in like 2006 or something like that, so, oh man, this is like definitely a grail. And it's in like really good condition too. Like if you look on the inside, paint chipping is like very minimal. Very, very minimal. That's a good sign. There's like a little bit of like stains and stuff, but again, for a shoe that's 12 years old, this shoe is 12 years old. Imagine that. 12 years old, that's crazy. But yeah, this is a great condition, and the only problem is it's a size 14, so I'm not sure how that's gonna affect cost. I would assume that bigger sizes don't sell as well, but what I kind of seen in the market is that bigger sizes tend to do better if it's older, because they don't make as much of the bigger sizes. So if you see like a full size run of something, you'll get like 100 pairs of 9.5s, 100 of pairs of 10s, 10 halves, 11s. But as for like 13 and 14, when you get farther away from the spectrum, because there's less and less people that can wear that, they make less stock. So 2006 shoe, Very, very good condition. It might be really good. I can't tell. You guys have seen this over here though. I don't know this number until the end. So maybe it's been really healthy, and I'm just gonna pray that we're doing well over here. We gotta see. Anyway, last box out of here is another Yeezy box. This is gonna end it. Size 9.5. Oh, this is a good one too. The laces are in here. I was like, what the heck is this? But it's a Yeezy Bread V2 without the laces. I can put the laces back on. I'm not sure why they're off. Well, because they're used, that's why. So a little bit used, but overall shoe looks solid, man. I mean, the bottoms are dirtied up. Everything else looks pretty okay though. No like cuts in the knit or anything like that. So another good pickup. The Bread version of the Yeezys actually go for a lot of money as well too. Oh shoot. So I think that I got my wish of getting a hyped beater box because I've not seen a beater box like this in a really long time. Like a really, really long time. This is like one of the most balanced beater boxes I've ever opened on this channel. We got Yeezys, V1s, V2s, we got rare Jordan 4s, we got Jordan 1s, we got the rare Y3, and a couple other stuff as well. So I think value-wise, I want to say that easily this eclipses the 2150, and I'm not sure exactly how much the potential profit is. Like, again, I can't see it until the end, but just off the top of my head, it feels like it's a really good box. I'm sure it'll feel a lot better once I do the calculations and stuff. But yeah, how's that for bringing some life back to the beater box series, man? This is why I keep doing these things. It's really like a numbers game, that's why. Because Soul Supremacy doesn't get to choose what inventory they have on a weekly basis. And what they do is they buy out collections and stuff, and then from that collection, they take what they want, what's good, what will sell on their shelves. And then like the other kinds of shoes, they'll probably throw it in here, have somebody else clean it up and stuff, and they can make some money off of it. So that's what happens. And I mean, I guess it was a good week because this is some great come ups in my opinion. I don't know about you guys, but let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of this beater box. Are the beater boxes back? Are the beater boxes still hype? Let me know because I'm feeling it right now. It's going. I feel pretty good about this. But anyway, thank you guys again for watching. This has been another beater box episode with Untied Hawaii. Till next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. Aloha. I'll see you. Shoots!